Manufacturing isn't the factory floor of the past anymore. It's cutting-edge technology. It's creativity and design. It's collaboration and problem solving. It's clean, modern, and driven by innovation. It's the future. It's our future. We are in the top 15% of manufacturing markets nationwide. Manufacturing employees make an average of $76,000. Over 700 manufacturers employ over 37,000 residents. Bethlehem Area School District is ready to prepare our students to enter this rapidly growing workforce and secure meaningful employment with competitive pay and upward mobility. We partnered with iTech, the Lehigh Valley's Manufacturing Apprenticeship Program, to create an advanced manufacturing pre-apprenticeship course. This means we will provide our students with industry connections, insider knowledge, and a direct path to a high-paying career. Our course will give students the technical knowledge, problem-solving skills, hands-on experience, and mentorship to set our students up for a successful future. Secure your future while building the future of the Lehigh Valley. Scan the QR code for more about our new course.